What is cloud? Cloud allows businesses to share servers, share networks, share apps and development tools, as well as data storage. Businesses use the cloud to quickly get new ideas up and running, protect their data, and boost the creation of new products and services. There's not one cloud, and it isn't located in just one place. The cloud can be accessed on any device connected to the internet. There are all sorts of clouds run by all sorts of providers. Some clouds are public, like when a third party such as Microsoft, AWS or Google hosts your resources on their servers. Others are private. And still others might be shared by a small community. Many businesses use a blend of cloud environments to limit their risk and increase their capability. These are known as hybrid clouds. When hybrid cloud users buy services from multiple public cloud providers, they're using a multi-cloud approach that lets them operate in the cloud strategically. That's cloud.